Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah and welcome to Islamic Stuff. Let's play another quiz today. So question number 1. What was the name of the angel through which Allah revealed the Holy Quran? And your options are: option number 1 Israfil alayhi salam, option number 2 Mikail alayhi salam, and option number 3 Jibreel alayhi salam. And the correct answer is Jibreel alayhi salam. Question number 2. Who was the first prophet of Islam? And your options are: option number 1 Adam alayhi salam, option number 2 Ibrahim alayhi salam, and option number 3 Musa alayhi salam. And the correct answer is Adam alayhi salam. Adam alayhi salam was the first human being and the first prophet of Islam, whereas Musa alayhi salam and Ibrahim alayhi salam were prophets of great stature in Islam. And the third question is: who was the last prophet of Islam? So who was the last prophet or the final prophet of Islam? And your options are: option number 1 Nuh alayhi salam, option number 2 Lut alayhi salam, and option number 3 Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam. And the correct answer is Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam. He was the seal of the prophets. He was the last prophet of Islam. Question number 4. What is the pre-Islamic period in Arabia known as? And your options are: option number 1 Khilafa, or option number 2 Jahiliya period, and option number 3 the Treaty of Al-Hudaybiyah period. And the correct answer is Jahiliya period, or the period of ignorance. The advent of Islam in Arabia made it an enlightened and blessed peninsula. Question number 5. How many pillars of Islam are there? And your options are: option number 1 3, option number 2 5, and option number 3 6. And the correct answer is 5. There are 5 pillars of Islam, and these are Shahada, Namaz, Zakat, Saum, that is fasting, and Hajj. Question number 6. What is the major pilgrimage to Makkah called? And your options are: option number 1 Umrah, option number 2 Hajj, and option number 3 Saum. The correct answer is Hajj. Umrah is also known as minor pilgrimage, and Saum is fasting in Islam. Question number 7. What is the Islamic term for prohibited actions? Actions which are forbidden from Allah. And your options are: option number 1 Halal, option number 2 Makruh, and option number 3 Haram. And the correct answer is Haram, whereas Halal is permissible items or actions and Makruh is disliked actions. Question number 8. What is the leader of the mosque called? The one who leads in prayer. And your options are: option number 1 Imam, option number 2 Hafiz, and option number 3 Muazzin. And the correct answer is Imam. Hafiz is the one who have memorized the Quran, and Muazzin is the one who gives azan or call to prayer. And question number 9. Who was the first caliph or khalifa of Islam? And your options are: option number 1 Ali Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anhu, option number 2 Abu Bakr as-Siddiq Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anhu, and option number 3 Umar ibn Farooq Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anhu. And the correct answer is Abu Bakr Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anhu. Question number 10. What is the name of the chapter recited in every unit of the Muslim prayer? And your options are: option number 1 Surah Ikhlas, option number 2 Surah Fatiha, and option number 3 Ayatul Kursi. And the correct answer is Surah Fatiha. Surah Fatiha is recited in every unit of the Salah. Question number 11. Which prophet is associated with the miraculous birth? And your options are option number 1, Moses alayhi salam or Musa alayhi salam, option number 2, Jesus alayhi salam or Isa alayhi salam, and option number 3, Jonah alayhi salam or Yunus alayhi salam. And the correct answer is Jesus alayhi salam or Isa alayhi salam. Question number 12. Which Arabic word is used in the Quran for Christians? And your options are option number 1, Nasara, option number 2, Yahud, and option number 3, Kafir. And the correct answer is Nasara. Question number 13. Which Arabic word is used for the unity or oneness of Allah? And your options are option number 1, Tawheed, option number 2, Ar-Rahman, and option number 3, Al-Wadud. And the correct answer is Tawheed. Tawheed is used for the oneness of God, whereas Ar-Rahman is the all-merciful Lord and Al-Wadud is all-loving. Question number 14. What is the term for a verse of the Quran? And your options are option number 1, ayah or ayat, option number 2, surah or surat, and option number 3, salah or salat. And the correct answer is ayah. Question number 15. In which city of Arabia was Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam born? And your options are option number 1, Syria, option number 2, Medina, and option number 3, Mecca. And the correct answer is Mecca. Question number 16. There are how many sacred months in an Islamic calendar? Option number 1, 6, option number 2, 4, and option number 3, 2. So there are 4 sacred months in an Islamic calendar. So the correct answer is 4. And the 4 months are Rajab, Muharram, Zulhijjah, and Zulqa'dah. Question number 17. What is the Islamic term for the afterlife? And your options are option number 1, Akhirah, option number 2, Barzakh, and option number 3, Itikaf. And the correct answer is Akhirah. Question number 18. What is the Islamic term for a chapter of the Quran? And your options are option number 1, Darood, option number 2, Ayah, and option number 3, Surah. And the correct answer is Surah. Question number 19. Which prophet was swallowed by a fish? And your options are option number 1, Yunus alayhi salam, option number 2, Yusuf alayhi salam, and option number 3, Ayyub alayhi salam. And the correct answer is Yunus alayhi salam. Question number 20. Who first gave the idea for the call to Azan in the first year of the Hijrah? Option number 1, Bilal Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anhu, option number 2, Umar Farooq Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anhu, and option number 3, Abdullah ibn Masud Raziyallahu Ta'ala anhu. And the correct answer is Umar Farooq Raziyallahu Ta'ala anhu. Here are a list of common abbreviations that we have used. AS for alayhi salam, RA male for Raziyallahu Ta'ala anhu, and SAW for Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. So thank you so much for sticking to the last and playing our game. Please comment your score down in the comment section and share this quiz with your family members so that they too can enhance their knowledge. Meet in the next video soon. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah.